welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine's question is, can you repent and not let the public know that you did? Now, what she's talking about is a situation allegedly with Miss D. She's talking about a situation that happened way back when. And this has to do with two individuals that were brought to Miss D that had to apologize to her for a situation, well, for talking to her a certain way. Um, the this was said to be allegedly that it was disrespectful to her, and because of this, those persons were allegedly taken to her to apologize. So Maxine is going back into this and she's, showing different stuff in different clips. And she's also joined her own opinion, which you guys would have already know. So go ahead and catch the video, guys. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful one.
Donna's still sleeping with one of the man who was in there too. Yeah, Donna's sleeping with the man. So, oh yes, they have all what they need to have. So that's why she can't do nothing. She can't do nothing to nobody. To nobody at all. To nobody. You understand? She can't do nothing. She have to take it. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Yes. Big movie. Laugh at me. I don't know if repent go help her, you know. A whole heap she have to repent about, you know. Whole heap she have to repent about. Can she just repent like that? Laugh at me and not let the public know that she knows she's wrong for what she done? Laugh at me, me no Christian. So me ask her the question. Me might have sound stupid, but me no know. Can she just repent? Can anyone just repent and not face the people them who you hurt? No answer me, no man. Can anyone just repent? Like all what Donna do? All of the wickedness them what Donna do. Can she just repent like that? She can? Like the evilness them what she do to me. She can just repent to God and not confronted me who she hurt? These people need to go to jail and throw away the key. Of course. As long as she's doing it from the heart. Oh my God. Then how me go get, even though anything then do to her, it wouldn't even matter to me one way or another, because it wouldn't justify what she has done. It would not justify what she has done. Okay, now. Me I touch it little by little. Me I touch it little by little. Lord Maxine, she did you a lot. Yes, but me say, that's okay. That's why he can't say nothing to me. I'll till the day he can't say nothing to me. All if me play them, he can't come up in his mouth and say one word. He can't do one thing. Can me say if them block the page, me go up on one other one. If them block the page, me go up on every one of the page them want me they go up on. Alright now. Let me show no one other one how she wicked what she do to Chantel. Let me show you how wicked that girl is.
To bring shame and disgrace on the people them what she out. This is the kind of disgrace. This is the kind of disgrace.
Let me play the Chantel one.
That she gone to bring these people shame and disgrace. This is the kind of things that happen there. These are the yang them and the people them who control the money and everything. People no look, this is for educational purposes. What are the truth? Hello guys, Auntie Donna here again. Me keep the love. We're coming from
okay.
We go I got New York City. We give them a tour. We give them a tour of Miss Sully and Miss Joanna, we never get to see Shante. No, we don't get to see Shante. Shante in the gambling house. Lord Jesus! We bring something for Shante. Oh God, no company with it, no company.
Like you never know.
No, man. Yes, definitely second oh God, Lord. Oh, it's funny not that fight. Struggling, so
Breathe them. You understand? You hear her? She should not brief the people then before they come and they come chat. So you know she brief everybody. She need to brief them before they come and they come talk. So all of them will come and they go on with themselves, including the puss woman. Were brief before they come there. All of them get brief. But then run come over here today. I play more than what I play. That video was the nail in the coffin for you. Eh? What you said? That video was the nail in the coffin for you? The Chantel video? Let me make Facebook see it. The Chantel video was the nail in the coffin for you?
This is the height of wickedness that Dana will go to bring shame and disgrace.
Dana never have to carry people them go down at the gambling house. She never have to, hey, the girl are wicked, you know.
Disgrace and shame that she gone to bring these people shame and disgrace. This is the kind of things that happen there. These are the yang them and the people them who control the money and everything.
Oh, Shante.
This is for education.
Not Chantel. Purposes. Okay, sorry.
What are the truth?
Love and peace. Who's talking to you? Take your nasty self over here.
What are the truth? Hello guys, Auntie Dana here again. I keep below. We're coming from, tell them where we're coming from.
Guys, they're blocking the video.
New York City. We give them a tour. We give them a tour of Miss Sully and Miss Joanna. We never get to see Shante. No, we don't get to see Shante. Shante in the gambling house. Lord Jesus!
But then Shante they stress over me.
No compare with it, no compare with it, man, no.
I know me they go to prison.
No, man. Yes, definitely second oh, God, Lord. Oh, it's funny not talk that fight. Struggling, so on the shouldn't come. Let's have it brief on the before no compare. Nobody now will help him. Yes, gambling. Oh, guys, them come to look for Shante and them see her in the gambling house. We should have it brief on the first, because when people hear this, no what happen.
You see? Brief them first before they come out con chat. Brief them first. Uno come, cause me afraid of uno today. Me people, uno try no put no comment there, cause them have blocked the live already, you know. They're blocking the live already. So don't put any comment there that they're gonna block uno, cause uno, they know they go report uno. Let them go on. Me don't know why they over here they stress over me. Dana don't have no business. This is public business. This is the public's business, not Dana's business. I don't know what you're talking about, Dana's business. Don't know what kind of business. This is a public business. I have a right to talk. I'm a donor. I have a right to talk. My money depends on the whole of Mountain View. My goods and service and everything and money is over the whole of Mountain View. So I have a right to talk. Make them come under them fake page, because that's all they can come under. But I'm going to find a way how to take them out completely that they can't even come under fake page. That's all right. Make them stay there under their fake page.
Came to look for Shante and I took her to the... Shante wasn't there. Shante was at the gambling house coming up. She went there to buy something. So. No, she was gambling. Oh, no, but I don't know if we can.
I'm sure no the people them face what they chat. Oh, no, listen.
No, we can took them to see her.
Oh, no, listen.
What did I do? What the shit did I do?
Early this morning, people sent me from homework assignment.
Shante was not there. She was coming from the gambling house, and these people are very upset.
I never see her gambling at it what. Them see her coming out. She said she wasn't gambling up to buy something. So them don't give them. These are Shantae fans, guys, and they bring donation for Shantae. Look well, and they are upset. I mean, never tell them to come on here, come talk. Gambling, don't get. Is the people that me is? What we have Shantae, they take it down the gambling hall. And I saw all the people that
You just see them little fat face. The whole of them fat. The whole of them fat. Watch them. The whole of them fat. The whole of them fat.
Make it clear, guys. These persons came to bless Shantae, and unfortunately, I took them to Shantae.
The whole of them fat.
I'm to inform her that they are coming, and we went to Shantae. Oh, Shantae was not there, neither the kids. And the persons on the street when we asking them for Shantae, they're telling us that Shantae.
This is when he lick out Shantae blessing. This is when he lick out Shantae blessing. Oh my God.
I never see her gambling.
Can anybody tell me what happened to Shantae? I haven't seen her in a long time. Come here, so they went go take back the furniture, them and the fridge and all of them sitting there front of her.
They pension, they tax money, everything.
All right, here this is one you know. I'll miss you when they cuss you know.
I didn't catch it.
That's Tanisha Francis. That's Matlock.
Yeah, so Matlock name, Tanisha Francis.
She stole the African lady's husband.
10 Tory no one.
Got the man. And the man disowned the baby because he told her to go get an abortion, but she ended up keeping the ugly little bitch anyway.
Oh, yes.
That's Tanisha Francis. In this dusty ass.
Matlock named Tanisha Francis.
All along, he likes butt. That's Tanisha Francis, people. That's Tanisha Francis. That's Matlock. That's a home-wrecking bitch.
A 10 Tory no one this morning. 10 Tory no one.
Had a baby by the man, and the man disowned the baby because he told her to go get an abortion, but she ended up keeping the ugly little bitch anyway.
Yep. I haven't seen her or her kids. Because I think they had when rape on a Shantae Pitney, you know. I went for Shantae Pitney, then rape her for Sharika. You know them when rape on a Shantae Pitney though. Either Shantae or Sharika, one of the two of them. Oh, a whole heap of things they go along a Mountain View one on here, you know. A whole heap of things take place up there. Me tell you, no, say everybody that come in contact with destruction take them. Everybody, whether the recipient, the donors, or you name it, every one of them. You know, come tell me how homeless me is. Me no care what give one rat's ass. Yes. Every single one of them. Donna, how can you? As some me know say Donna no like do me not even that in 10, 11, 12, 13, Ashanti, Matlock, Ashanti 13, Matlock, and the whole. As some me know saying yet them bad, you know. In yet them bad all lady V, in yet them like a poison. Because that girl now forget what they got on, you know, you now forget history. This is history. This is you not go nowhere. Here to come, you don't they go and see me. I don't care what no one say about me. I do a business. Me I know now, you know war. I'm telling you, say everyone I know what come off of me, they go right for Dana. Because you know what me have? Me have the blueprint. Me have the blueprint, you only have the photocopy. The whole of you only have the photocopy, but me have the blueprint. What I said I have the blueprint. And it's not going anywhere. You only have photocopy. You only can run pan and play this and play that and do this and do that. Me have the blueprint. The blueprint me have. So no come for me. Make she say no for me. Because me they say she say no. Because you no can't deaf so. For years somebody say for leave business alone and you still they go at it. Look how much I want to run over here this morning. You no cannot deaf so. Cannot deaf so. Make me play, make you listen.
That's Tanisha Francis, people. That's Tanisha Francis. That's Matlock. That's a home-wrecking bitch. She stole the African lady's husband, had a baby by the man,
Uno go look for Tanisha Francis. Uno go look for Tanisha Francis. That's a matlock. Alright, this a one yeah. Uno remember say Dana no laugh. Right? All I uno remember say Dana do not know laugh, right? All I know say uno no call me. No call me. If I no me admin them or me moderators them don't call me, me no want nobody call me. Cause uno not distract me this morning. Uno remember say, cuz, morning, what they go on? Uno remember say, Dana no know laugh. Dana no know laugh. But now we get to understand say laugh just the right out of the gate there so. Because you see every time laugh turn on the music you hear Dana say, laugh. Uno remember? In ball out and memories we are playing, but we do it in a picture this morning. Yes. Laugh live right out of the gate. Right out of the gate, but remember, Dana say a pass in the past, this man like in the past, the man up the road. Like you know nothing about laugh. So this is the video where
I'm putting laugh. Now come with four. Wagwan, you alright? You have your son with you to do the next one there.
see it there.
I want to look for you, but I never see you.
You're the liar.
So, I just see you now. So,
You're the liar.
I did see her dance the day. I'm putting laugh. Now come with four. Wagwan, you alright?
Yes.
You have your son with you to do the next one there. I want to
Nah, for you know all along.
see you.
So,
I just see you now. So, for guys who don't know, laugh is a youth have a little star. I come up just like car them. Have a little star out here and one day I pass him and see my dance, cause I love dance. I mean, come over to him and did a video him. And I just come and ask him, say, if me can show the video. And him said no problem.
Mighty God, when me look back for all the lie they were done at